Hi, I'm Emily and I'm a knit and crochet designer. Today I'm going to show you how to tapestry crochet. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. In tapestry crochet, the unworked yarn is carried along the row. Tapestry crochet is perfect for creating motifs or patterns in your work. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating using the double crochet stitch. To begin, insert the hook into the first stitch. Take the second colour and place it over the top of the hook, leaving a short tail. With your working yarn, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through to complete the stitch. You will see that the second colour is caught in between the stitch you have just worked. Insert the hook into the next stitch, keeping the unused yarn in line with the top of your work. Make sure that the unused yarn is sitting on top of the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and complete the stitch. Continue working double crochets, making sure that unused yarn stays in line with the top of your work and is worked into each stitch. You can pull gently on the unused yarn to make sure it is sitting smoothly within the stitches. To change colour, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Drop the yarn you were working with to the back and pick up the new colour. Yarn over with the new colour and pull through to complete the stitch. You are now ready to begin working with the new colour. Pick up the unused yarn and lay it across the top of your work. Insert your hook into the next stitch, making sure the unused yarn is over the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through both loops to complete the stitch. Continue working, making sure the unused yarn is in line with the top of your work and is caught in between each stitch. It's worth checking the back of your work as you go to make sure you are catching the unused yarn in each stitch, otherwise you will create floats. Make sure to change colour at the last stage of the stitch to create a neat transition. In most tapestry crochet projects, you will follow a chart where each square equals one stitch. This makes it easy to know when to change colour. For more crochet techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.